right, I finally got my wheels 2 months later, and here they are, all powder coated. Looks pretty good. Going to get my wheels installed. Alright guys, I washed the SDI and these new wheels are super. Let me look at that. Just the concave design, you know, it's got that poke effect I want. The 9.5 inch width is a little wider, so it sticks out. It just gives it such an aggressive stance. And they're a lot lighter. I believe these are just over 20 pounds, where the stock ones were like just over 26, I believe, or just around that. These are just so great looking. So aggressive. And the gold powder coating, of course, matches a World Rally blue. So yeah, I mean, just a fantastic car. I also cleaned the inside, finally. Looks really good. Now I want to talk about the I don't think I can show it to you, but I'll try my best. And basically, under here, you can see the Whiteline rear sway bar, I hope. And then, of course, the coilovers, which are the Ohlins. They ride really nice. You can't see that here, but I'll put a picture went up on the hood from that point of view. But yeah, I mean, they ride super nice. They ride super. They ride super nice. They're super, not super soft, I shouldn't say, not like my Lexus GX460, but they're a lot smoother and softer than, and a more comfortable ride than the RCE Yellow's lowering springs that I had on there. But they're not cheap. They're about $2,400-$2,500. They just, you know, they ride really well. They handle so great. I want to try the rear sway bar and with the Kartboy end links and the Ohlins when I take it to the track, hopefully next year. And yeah, God willing, I can do that and then give you guys a proper review of what it handles. But I mean, around the on ramps and stuff, it just handles super well. The bumps aren't teeth shattering anymore. And yeah, it just looks so aggressive. So I'm really satisfied with it. So this is going to complete all my suspension mods, guys, for now. I have one more round of engine mods to do. So the downpipe and the upgraded fuel system, not on E85, just on 91. And I stated why I don't want to go that far. I understand it could be more power, but you know, I want to stay relatively reliable. If I get 400 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque at the crank, what's that, 340-ish at the wheel, I'm good to go there. That's fast enough for me. If I can get a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds-ish, that's really fast for this car. I don't want to push it anymore in the stock block. And that's it. Oh yeah, and I want to do a heat shield for a heat soak, and what else? And a coil rad for better cooling. And that's about it. And I think hopefully I want to do that towards the end of the year, and then I should have it done. And that's it. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna, you know, take it to the track. These are Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. I have about 30% tread left on all of them, so it's still good to drive. However, they are on the maximum stretch. They're stretched out a little. Pilot Sport Cup 2s again, because I only plan to go to the track, like, you know, about twice a year, 3 times a year maybe. But I'm gonna get Michelin Pilot Sport S4s, and I'm gonna, instead of the 245 width, I'm gonna get about 255, and then 255/30, I think, for the height. And then it's a lot of bugs. And then, yeah, and then that should be good. And that's it. And then hopefully I'll get some track videos for you guys in the next year. All right, stay safe, God bless, and have a great day.